back to my channel tonight. I'm glad that you're with me, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Tonight I'm going to do a really fun oriental garden swipe. I'm going to use an 11 by 14 canvas, and all my paints tonight are going to be mixed with Floetrol latex based medium, acrylic paint, and OGX coconut hair serum, and a little bit of water if needed. So I'm going to mix my paint and the Flood latex medium 50-50. And I want my paint to be in the consistency, when I mix these two 50-50, to be in the consistency to where when I stir it in my cup, that it flows right off my stick into my cup, like just drizzles off my stick, and an even flow right back into my cup. So if I'm mixing these two 50-50 and they seem a little too thick to just drizzle right off my stick, then I will add just a little bit of water until I get that consistency. Once I get that consistency, I will add just one tiny drop of this OGX coconut hair serum per ounce of paint. So if I am mixing 3 ounces of paint in this cup, I will add 3 tiny little drops of this coconut hair serum into my cup, and I will just gently stir that in. Now I will mix all of my colors together and add the coconut hair serum to the colors that I am swiping with. As far as the colors I am laying down on the canvas, the colors that I want to be in my picture. Normally, the color that I will put on the very top of the canvas that I am swiping down with, in this case, will be red. I will not add silicone to. I want that color to be just a bit thicker, and I want that to pull through my other paint. So I want that to be thicker and have more dimension. So that color that I am using at the top to swipe with my wet paper towel, I want to have more dimension, and I do not want to have silicone in. So that color I will not add silicone to. All my other colors that I will use for my flowers, that I will use for my stems in my garden, I will have silicone in. So that will be the only color that I will not have silicone in, is the color that I will swipe with. So that is the only color. I just want to give you a heads up. You can use any color that you want to swipe with through your garden. You can switch up all these colors and do anything you want. Be creative. I just wanted you to know that whatever color that you swipe with, it's probably best that you don't have the silicone in, because it will give you more dimension. So that is the only difference in this painting. So follow along, mix your paints using the Flood latex, make sure it says latex, 50-50 with whatever acrylic paints you want to use. I'm going to use a variance. I'm going to use some Nova Color, I'm going to use some Liquitex Basics, I'm going to use some Deco Art, I'm going to use probably some, oh gosh, you name it. I'm going to use a variance. I'm going to use some color shift paints. So I'm going to have fun, and I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to get my paints down. So use what you have on hand and just mix your paints up, have fun with the colors, and then let's get going. I'm going to use at least probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 different colors for my garden, which would be like your stems, your field. And then I'm going to use the one color to pull down as far as my sky swipe would be. And then I'm going to come back and use a bunch of different colors for my flowers, you know, reds, yellows, maybe whites, you name it, for my flowers. So let's get going on this, and let's have some fun. Just get really creative, you know, just use your imagination. So let's have some fun. These paintings are just so much fun to do. I hope you all give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, you all take care. And don't forget, all my artwork is always for sale. In the description box down below will be a link to my Etsy store where you can find all my paintings.